Welcome back everyone. In this video we're going to discuss linear equations in two variables. Here we're going to discuss the cross multiplication method. So without any further ado, let's get started. This method basically revolves around the same concept that we have already covered in the previous video. Along with that, we're going to learn just one new formula. We already know that a linear equation is of the form ax by c is equal to 0, and since we have a pair, so a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So let's discuss the formula that we have been talking about. The formula is pretty simple. It's x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equals to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now this might just be the longest formula that you have encountered, but there's a trick to remember it. First of all, we see the pattern that it is bc bc, ca ca, ab ab, and 1 2 minus 2 1, 1 2 minus 2 1, 1 2 minus 2 1. So we see that this is fairly easy to remember. 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, and it is minus throughout in the middle, and x y in the numerator, and then 1. So the main task is, how do we remember this? bc bc, then ca this. So the trick is, just write first b, c and a, and then go clockwise. So the first one is bc, so bc bc, then ca, so ca ca, and then ab, so ab and ab. Let us see one numerical. 2x plus 3y equals to 17 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. So if you compare this with the general equation, that is ax plus by plus c equals to 0, obviously we know that 17 will come here, so it will become minus 17. You can solve it, or it is very obvious. So we see that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to minus 17. So we have a1 2, b1 3, c1 minus 17. Similarly, if you compare here, you get a2, b2 and minus c2, because 6 will come here, it will become minus 6. So a2 is 3, b2 is minus 2, and c2 is minus 6. Then it is very simple. If you remember the formula, simply write the formula, okay, and substitute it. So you can check whether the substitution is correct or not. We have already written here. Now it is simply solving. So 3 6 is 18, minus 18, minus minus plus minus minus, 17 2 is 34, then y by this, then here, okay. This is simple solving. So we will solve until and unless we cannot solve further, okay. Now it's the important part. Basically what we're going to do is divide this into two equations, okay. This and this will form one equation, that is the first one. This and this will form the second equation. So what do I mean by this? X by 52 is equal to 1 by minus 13. So x by minus 52 is equal to 1 by 13. Similarly, y by minus 39 is equal to 1 by minus 13. Obviously we don't want to take x and y. Why? Because it's obvious, then we'll have two variables and we cannot solve it. Fine. Once we have this, then we know that 52 will go here, so x will become this, minus minus cancel, 13 4 is 52, so x is equal to 4, y minus minus cancel, 13 3 is 39, y is equal to 3. Hence we have x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. It is as simple as that. Let us do one more question, a very simple one. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 25, plus 25 is equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now if you compare this with the general equation, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, we see that a1 is 3, b1 is 2, c1 is 25, a2, b2, c2. So we can just substitute here. We already know how to do this from the previous video, that is from the first video. Alright, that is when you had to prove that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and those. So okay, let's jump to this one. So we have this, the formula again, BCA. So first BC 1 2 1 2 1 with a minus, then CA CA 1 2 2 1 with a minus, and then AB 1 2 2 1 with a minus. Fine. X Y 1. Then you can simply substitute. So if you substitute, this is what you'll get. You may pause the video and check whether the substitution is correct or not. So we have x by 20 minus 25, y by this, 1 by this. 20 minus 25 is minus 5, y by 20 is equal to this. Okay, this is the important part. This will be equal to this, and this will be equal to this. So I have x by minus 5 is equal to minus 1, that is x is equal to 5, and y by 20 is equal to minus 1, because we know that 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. So 20 will go here, so we have y is equal to minus 20. So we have x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 20. Let us do one slightly different question. Here we have the variable in the denominator, 7 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 2, and this. So we already know that whenever you have a variable in the denominator, we'll have to replace it with some other variable, u and v. So let's do that. Let 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. Now we can substitute this back. So this will become 7u, 8v, and 2 will go here, it will become minus 2. Just bringing it in the general equation form. Similarly here, here, and this will come here, and you will get this. So from here we get a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 to be this, comparing with the general equation. And we have this formula. Note that instead of x we have u, because these values are found from these two equations, and these two equations they have the variable u and v. So instead of x and y we will write u, v, and 1 will remain as it is. So this formula remains same. Okay, then we have substitution. So if you solve it, simple calculation, you'll end up with this. U by 1 minus 178 is equal to v by 178 is equal to 1 by 89. So obviously we'll be splitting this and this, this and this. So you have u by minus 178 is equal to this, and v by 178 is equal to minus 1 by 89. So if you solve, you get u is equal to minus 2 and v is equal to 2. But this is not the end. We have to find x and y. So we know that u is equal to 1 by x and v is equal to 1 by y. So 1 by x is equal to minus 2. If you flip or take inverse, that means x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and y is equal to plus 1 by 2. So hence we have x is equal to this, y is equal to this. With this we conclude our video. Link to some more solution to numericals is given in the description. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Take care everyone.